Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva AI magic write not working. AI tools can fail due to bugs, so let's fix these bugs. First of all, we're going to open your app store and then search for Canva app and see if there is an update button and update it if it's not already updated to the latest version. After that, we are going to restart your iPhone by holding the power button and the volume button at the same time and then swiping the power slide button and restarting your phone. Then try the AI tool on a different design. If the first design that you are working on does not work, then try your AI design on a different design. Safety tip: do not input sensitive info to AI features. Quick fix: use Canva web AI tools if mobile app fails, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.